Okay, now we are going to create an ad. That is the third step we are in. Okay, first steps we have been completed. Now third step is the creating a ad within that particular ad group. Okay, here we have been selected ad group is nothing but hair oil, and the keywords are these are the keywords we have been used. Okay, then now we have to select URL here. In the sense we are trying to take a website, this one website traffic. In the sense our campaign is to drive the website traffic, so that we have to take a URL is nothing but website link for which page they has to be come when they are click on that particular ad. We'll select one particular page. Okay, for demo purpose I'm selecting this particular page. That particular page, which page you would like to show when they click on that particular ad, that particular page we have to select. That particular page we have to select. Once you have been selected that particular page, okay, you can see here ad preview. You can see here ad preview. In ad that will be shown. Okay, then display URL also you can write. Okay, don't want to show all these things, you would like to say that in display URL here oil. Okay, like this if you like to show the, or you can say, okay, only this one you would like to show here in your display URL. You can use that one. Okay, you can use here two way you can use display URL. Okay, whatever written in the display URL it will be shown here after your site name. Okay, then it comes to a, or you can say that your company name also you can give here. First you can give a company name, then you can give the product name. Like this also you can give, so that they will come to know that one who is searching for your ad will come to know that which kind of the things you are using. Okay, then it comes to a headline one. Okay, headline you can also create like here. You can say in a headline, best aroma hair oil. Okay, and second headline, here you can see best aroma hair oil has been taken, second headline. Now you can say here like at lowest price. Okay, at lowest price you can see at lowest price has been added. And one more headline is also you can give, three headlines you can give here. Headline 3, limited offer. What we have to do here, all the keywords which are the keywords you have been selected, in that some of the keywords has to be included in your headline also. Then only you will be able to draw the more and more attention. You can also give much more headlines also, but only three headlines I will be giving, so that it will be giving a better this one. And description you can write. Okay, you can write a description about your product. Best hair oil in market. Okay, produced by neem seeds and ayurvedic in nature. Simply I'm writing something here. Okay, once you have been written description here, and again one more description also you can write. One more description also you can write like um, application, hair fall, anti-dandruffs. Like this we can write a application side also. Okay, once you have been added a applications, okay, once you have been added a description, okay, then it comes to a one more add description. If you like to add, you can add here. Okay, and you can add a URLs also. Again, no need to set this one. Okay, one more heading you can give. So we can cover up all the uh, this one, aroma hair oil. Okay, aroma hair oil, and one more heading I will give to cover up all the neem hair oil. Okay, and we can add one more, contact us also there. Okay, and you can also add your website name also. Okay, so that you will be having a unique description you can write, and you can make it strong. Okay, you have to write a description, much more description, and you can add one more heading also. Okay, like that we can do here. And when you are adding a more and more headings, then it will become a responsive search ad. What you mean by responsive search ad is nothing but a based on a keyword. Okay, your ad descriptions and ad headings will be changed. Only three headings will be shown. Okay, based on the keywords matching. Okay, based on a search match, your ad headings will be, and descriptions, what are the descriptions you have been added, it will be keep changing based on a search response, in the sense search type. Okay, if someone searching for the neem hair oil, then your ad heading will be changed to the neem hair oil, like this. If someone's searching for the best hair oil, then your ad heading again it will be changed. In the sense, ad heading will be changed based on your the search options. Okay, based on your keyword match. Okay, if it is not in a responsive search ad, then only three headings if you given, then it will be become a not been a in a responsive search ad category. Okay, if you have given only three heading and only one description, if you have been given. Okay, then you will be coming to a standard search ad category. Like this you can create a ads, you can create a ads. Once you have been done, you have to say done. Okay, one more ad also you can create. Within that one more ad, one more type of the ad with the same keyword in a same ad group, in the sense in a hair oil itself, one more ad you can also create. It may be some other keywords and different type of the structure, different url also you can use by using a one more ad. Okay, like this you can create a n number of ads within a one particular ad group. Okay, within a campaign you can create a n number of products. Okay, this is for a company, this is for a product basis. And within a product we can create a multiple ad for a single product by using a new ad here, new ad option. Then you can go to a save and continue, save and continue to create a, to complete your ad, to complete your ad. Okay, and it is asking that one your campaign hasn't served until you have fixed the issue. One issue is there. Okay, we'll check that what is the issue, fix it. Here we have to add one more description. Best quality hair oil in market at affordable price. Like this I am just randomly I'm typing, not to change. Then here you can say neem oil, aroma oil, because we already given when taken out, for that reason it has been showing like that. Okay, then we can say too few elements in this collection. Okay, we have been done. Then we say done, save and continue. Again it has a one more, this one ad has a issue that will be prevent in the Google search. We'll search for that one. Okay, here only 90 characters should be given. It become a 95. So like that. Search, save and continue. Like this, you have to fix the ad whenever you are creating an ad. Okay, now everything is created. Okay, and here you can see what type of the ad it is. Okay, here you can see from when it will be displayed, this particular ad, what is the daily budget it will be, and what type of strategy you have been used, what is the goal here. Okay, campaign goal is to draw the topic and languages and the locations we have been selected. Okay, here it will be campaign voice, ad group. Okay, here you can see the ad, the type of the ad group, which are the keywords used, and the ad, how it will look your ad. Once you have been done with this, once you have been checked everything is fine, everything is fine, then they are saying that at least create a 3 ad for your campaign to improve the campaign performance. We'll learn that one, just for the learning purpose we are creating. Okay, you can create one more ad also within that particular ad group. We'll show that one, how to add multiple ads. Again, if you have forgotten one particular ad, how to add multiple ads, multiple campaigns, everything we will be learn in a coming videos. Here we will say publish. Your ad will be published. Okay, like this, if your campaign, if you are going to a overview, it will be status will be pending, in the sense the review will be there. Once it is reviewed, your ad, these are the different types of the keywords we have been used. This is the ad we have been done. Okay, and here it will show which are the locations you have been selected. Okay, location wise impression they will show, and the days and hours how we have been set, that is schedule we have been done. Okay, and here daily how many clicks happened, how many impressions are there, what's the average cost, how much you have been spent on this particular ad. Everything will be shown in this overview. In a overview it will be shown. Okay, and here it is a pending because it will take a hour or 1 day to show up your ad. Okay, this is about how we are having creating a ad by using a Google Ads.